let me introduce you to one of the most exciting developments in lightweight off-road caravans in a very, very long time, the Titan12 from AusRV International. This little caravan has all the strength, durability and features that you expect from off-road caravans, twice the price. So come inside and have a look at this little gem. Constructed from super lightweight fiberglass composite, the Titan is well insulated and tough as nails. The internal cabinets and fittings are first rate and built strong for life off-road, and convenient features like the 90-litre Thetford fridge add value and convenience. The layout makes for easy living with a comfortable bed and a dinette for indoor meals and protection from the elements. An entertainment system and TV with quality Wineguard antenna bring entertainment into the Titan, while both internal and external speakers and external TV connection gives you the freedom to take it outdoors as well. Off-grid living requires off-grid power. The Titan12 has a roof-mounted solar panel powering the two 100 amp-hour batteries through the premium quality Red Arc BMS 30 battery management system. As part of this system, there's a 1000 watt inverter for small 240 volt appliances. Outside, a roll-out awning is standard to offer protection above the stainless steel slide-out kitchen. With enormous preparation space, gas cooktop and sink with gas and water plumbed to the kitchen, you'll love it for cooking and entertaining on the road. Beside the kitchen, a handy 2-drawer pantry makes storage of non-perishables easy. There's also a fold-down table right beside. These features are protected by triple seal hatches that are the best defence against dust and water. Up front is a huge storage box that is handy for poles and all your camping needs, including generators. Further up front, there's storage for two 9-kilo gas bottles and two jerry can holders tucked neatly behind the stone guard. At the back, a shower and toilet room offer both privacy and convenience. It's also quick to set up. When site power is available, it's simply a matter of connecting to the external power inlet. This is also suitable for a generator. Beneath it all is the quality engineering you expect from AusRV. Designed from the ground up in SolidWorks, the chassis and suspension are engineered with reliability you can count on year after year. For more information on this awesome little caravan, head across to ausrv.com.au and find out where your nearest showroom is.